Hey, how's it going? My name is Kelly and I've been working with DC Home Remodeling for the past 4 years now. Our expertise lies in a wide range of services including kitchen and bathroom renovations, framing, and various other remodeling projects. Our primary goal is to exceed homeowner expectations by delivering projects that are 100% satisfactory. We are dedicated to providing the best possible experience for our clients and will never compromise on quality by taking shortcuts. It brings me great joy to be a part of DC Home and Remodeling, where our team is always ready to assist and ensure that every project is a success. And if you're looking for quality services, call us at 703-980-3266. We're here to help you.